si orto na pakataw niyo ba? Satu na torin na watan niyo ng kormo. Orto sa kilami ng satu ito na niyo. Actually, it's not the first visit. My first visit was the second week of January. This is about the fifth visit so far, and we have a big program still to come. But I'm very encouraged by the response from the people in the community, particularly women and men as well, that they have come to attend today's meeting. I think we've had a very good, productive meeting today with the exchange of ideas and also the opportunity for me to share with people the government's direction and as we are moving towards the elections in 2014, the preparations that should be done. And also the focus of my discussion this morning is on women and women empowerment and the assistance, type of assistance that we provide, and also in the presence of the Commissioner Western's office representatives here. We were able to share a lot of things with them today, particularly in development projects. I think they understood very well how the government's direction as to the kind of assistance we provide for them, particularly with the role of the Commissioner's office, the role of the provincial office, and also our role. That was very clear to them, and also we encouraged them to be involved in the election process for this year. And also, it was an opportunity for the women's groups to voice their requests directly to me and my staff here this morning on the kind of assistance they would like to engage in to empower them economically or to strengthen their women's organizations' management. And the new projects for this year, apart from the sewing machines, the women's resource centers, also the violence-free communities, we are also will try to promote cook clean stove, particularly for women in the rural areas. Stoves that they can use that will prevent smoke from affecting them physically and also their health, and also to reduce their burden of having to collect firewood. So that is a project that we are looking forward to help our women. And also the other project is we will be using our resource centers as an outlet for education, for provision of services to young people on the reproductive health issues, particularly with the contraceptives that will go with counseling, and also the empowerment of parents to enable them to speak confidently about reproductive health issues to their children. So all this training will be conducted from these women's resource centers. This afternoon we'll be giving out to another 4 villages, and that means another 8 sewing machines. But we've got China is sending in 600 machines, and India is sending in 300 machines, and that's 900 still to be distributed. But right now in my office we still have about 80 sewing machines to be distributed. But definitely before election time comes, everyone, all organizations that qualify for our machines will get them. Yes, that continues, and I hope it will continue forever, for many, many years to come, until all villages, all settlements, all communities in Fiji are able to commit themselves to work in partnership with government, with the faith-based organizations, with all development committees within their area, that we work towards stopping or eliminating totally the violence against women and children. I would like to continue with the work that I'm doing. I'd like to complete this violence-free community so that Fiji becomes violence-free, and also to the plan to institutionalize women's groups by the construction of their offices, their centers. I would like to complete that, and this is where I would like to stand.